what is it called? The Q-tip inside of the inlet to get the chunk of crust out where it does not belong. Now, it's just a game of chasing the crust areas. Like to get on in there really close, and I don't know what the fuck that is, but I'm gonna lick it anyway. Oh yes, the prize. Wow. We'll save that for Steve's souvenir. Just like cleaning your own body part. Okay. Save that for Steve.
About from underneath, maybe I can get a view.
Oh yes, there's already a nice cardboard
Maybe
bed
not.
ready for you.
What?
There's already a nice cardboard bed laid down. I'm sure.
Oh, okay, climbing underneath. Oh, not in the mood.
Okay, I know how to do it. Wait, this is gonna go thingy first, and then the connections. Duh. Thingy. Out. In. Oops. Okay, now go in your hole. Okay. Now, excuse me, I need the bolts.
Go. Can I help? What is it? Oh, you got it.
Crusty little,
A bolt? Here.
those little ones?
There you go.
Ah, no.
No?
No.
What? Thought you
The
said bolt.
little number, oh.
The washer?
Those aren't gonna, no, the one, I think they're in here. The little number 10s, I think.
Bolt? Oh, there it is. Yeah.
No, nuts. 3 little nuts.
Here it is.
Ah, my nuts.
Okay, careful.
Thank
Oh,
you. That was one?
yeah, and there's 3. Man, is there a magnet or something in there?
Yes, it's a magnetic tray.
Oh,
So I don't do this.
making it sticky. You're sticking.
Okay, I did not get into optimal position.
Well, I found one, but I only see one in there. There's
I'm
only-
still I'm not in optimal position.
You're one short.
No, I'm not. You don't say that.
Unless it's under the socket. No. Yeah. Getting all the action here.
Wrangling it in.
It's great. I haven't had anything to take a picture of. You know.
Into some old dirty parts. Other nut? Thank you.
I don't see a third one.
What is this? I don't see a third one.
Well, there's no more nuts in this tray. I mean, it's magnetic. I don't
No,
think
no,
it could
I don't
fall
want to hear
out.
that.
It couldn't fall out.
Cameraman. Ah.
Almost dropped it. That wouldn't be good.
Get a little smear on it.
Well, could scratch the lens. Okay. Good enough.